Welcome to our channel. The TD Bank mobile app allows you to instantly lock your debit or credit card if you've misplaced it, providing an extra layer of security. Follow these step-by-step instructions to lock your card. Step 1. Download the TD Bank mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the TD Bank app and log in using your username and password, or use biometric authentication if you've enabled it. Step 3. Navigate to the main account dashboard where you can view all your TD Bank accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. Step 4. Select the specific debit or credit card you want to lock by tapping on the card account. Step 5. Look for the card management options, which may be labeled as Card Controls, Manage Card, or a lock icon. Step 6. Tap on the lock or lock card option to temporarily deactivate your card, preventing any new transactions from being processed. Step 7. Confirm your decision to lock the card when prompted by the app to ensure this action was intentional. Step 8. Once locked, your card cannot be used for purchases, ATM withdrawals, or online transactions until you unlock it. Step 9. If you find your card, simply return to the same section in the app and tap Unlock Card to reactivate it immediately. Step 10. If you determine your card is permanently lost or stolen, select the option to report it and request a replacement card through the app or by calling TD Bank customer service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.